So I'm trying to import a SVG in order to like extrude a vector image, but it's grayed out in Maya, and I'm going to show you how to get it to make it available. So this is a plugin manager issue. So if you just go to Windows, Settings, Preferences, Plugin Manager, and I just did this, but it'll open up like this, and what you're looking for is the type.mll. So I'm just going to put type in the search bar, and there it is, and you're going to select loaded, and you probably want it auto-loaded. So once you do that, and then you go to the create, it should be available. I find that the plugin manager is oftentimes the solution to many of my problems. So definitely check the plugin manager and make sure that what you're looking for is loaded. And that's all there is. All right, bye-bye.